Prifysgol. Yr ail o 7 seremoni i'w chynnal yma dros 3 diwrnod. Good morning and welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony. The second of 7 ceremonies to be held over 3 days. Mae seremoni heddiw yn achlysur ffurfiol I ddathlu eich cyflawniadau chi ac yn gyfle I gydnabod unigolyn sydd yn derbyn cymrodoriaeth anrhydeddus. Felly, gofynnwn yn garedig I bawb aros yn ei seddi a dangos parch drwy gydol y seremoni. Today's ceremony is a formal occasion celebrating your achievements and the formal recognition of an individual receiving an honorary fellowship. We kindly ask everyone to remain seated and respectful throughout. Diolch yn fawr. Nawr, I bod ni yn eich annog chi I gadw lefel y sŵn I lawr, rydym hefyd yn eich annog I ddangos eich cefnogaeth drwy gymeradwyo eich cyfoedion wrth i'w dyfariadau gael eu cyflwyno ar y llwyfan. While we do ask that you keep the noise to a minimum, we also encourage you to show your support by applauding your peers as their awards are presented on stage today. Please follow the lead of our platform party in doing so. Wel, mae'n bleser nawr gen I wahodd Howard Jones, aelod o Fwrdd Llywodraethwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam, I agor y seremoni y bore 'ma. It gives me great pleasure to invite Howard Jones, a member of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony.
Welcome to the congregation of Wrexham University. Today marks a formal celebration of your achievements, where we recognise degrees earned and other matters concerning Wrexham University. As authorised by the university, it gives me great pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and to ask that the University Proclamation be read.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Prifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, dydd Mawrth, y 8 ar 20 o Hydref 2025, yn Ninas Wrecsam. Gynulliad awdurdodedig o Prifysgol Wrecsam. I dderbyn yn gymrawd anrhyderus unigolyn teilwng sydd trwy ei weithredoedd wedi profi ei hunan yn deilwng o farch yn y gymdeithas academaidd. Derbynir i'w gwobrau hefyd unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfobarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol â gorddeiniadau'r Brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad, a iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethu ei oes a'i cenedl dan fendith y nef. Yna dy oleuni a gyfu emau. Ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawr rocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University is being held here today, October 28th, 2025, in the city of Wrexham, to honour an individual whose actions have earned the respect of the academic community, and to celebrate those who have completed their studies, demonstrating commitment, perseverance, and academic excellence. This ceremony recognises the achievements of our graduates and the contributions of Honorary Fellows, whose work reflects the values of the University. We hope that they may be granted health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Byddai hysbys I aelodau'r Prifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol fod y Prifysgol wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Joe Yates I dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol â rheolau'r Prifysgol. Let it be known to members of the University and to all who are present that the University has granted authority to Professor Joe Yates to admit to their degrees students of Wrexham University who have qualified for degrees according to the regulations of the University. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are to be seen on the printed lists that have been distributed today. Galwodd yn awr ar ein dirprwy is-ganghellor, yr athro Paul Davies, sydd I gyflwyno'r gwobrau a roddwyd ar ôl marwolaeth. I would now like to call upon Professor Paul Davies, our Deputy Vice-Chancellor, to present 2 awards given posthumously.
Gofynaf yn yngredig i'r gynulleidfa godi ar y troed ar gyfer cyflawni'r wawr. That I please ask the congregation be upstanding for the presentation of posthumous awards. We gathered this morning to present posthumous awards to 2 remarkable individuals, both of whom studied in the Faculty of Arts, Computing and Engineering. These awards serve as a recognition of their academic achievements, their unwavering dedication and diligent efforts. Posthumous awards sometimes seem different, but in many ways they're the same as the awards all of you received this morning. They're a recognition of hard work, a recognition of commitment, a recognition of achievement. So that I ask the congregation to read out the name of each recipient dechrau'n drwy anrydeli Jennifer George a hoffwn wahodd ei dad John George ar y clwyfan. We'll begin by honouring Jennifer George and would like to invite her father, John George, to the stage. Jennifer, or Jenny, as she was known to the lecturers and family and friends, approached her studies with determination, care and integrity, demonstrating a clear commitment to always doing her best. Alongside her academic work, Jenny brought warmth and kindness to those around her, offering encouragement, support and respect to her peers. She also showed great strength and generosity. Her influence continues to be felt through the many lives she touched, and we extend our deepest appreciation and respect for the light that she brought to our academic community. We wish to honour Jennifer George with the award of a Diploma of Higher Education in Computer Science. Gyda'r parch mwyaf yn yr adwm hefyd yn cydnabod Maria Alexandria Malek a hoffwn wahodd a'i merched, Kasia a Donna ar y llwyfan. It was with great respect we also recognise Maria Alexandria Malek and would like to invite her daughters, Kasia and Donna, to the stage. Maria was a creative, determined and deeply family-focused person, often drawing inspiration from her children and her grandchildren. Joining the Art College gave her the opportunity to be part of a vibrant community where she could explore and develop her ideas, from innovative educational resources supporting literacy and numeracy to imaginative children's stories. Her time here enabled her to refine these into professional projects, combining her love of learning with a gift for storytelling. She approached her studies as a hard-working, strong and determined student. It is now our honour to recognise Maria Alexandria Malek with a Diploma of Higher Education in Illustration. Thank you once again for joining us in honouring and celebrating both Jennifer and Maria. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.
Wel, mae'n bleser gen I gyflwyno Liam Evans Ford yn gymrawd anrhydeddus Prifysgol Wrexham yn ein seremoni y bore yma. I am delighted to present Liam Evans Ford for the award of Honorary Fellow of Wrexham University at our ceremony today. Liam is Executive Director and CEO at Theatr Clwyd, the biggest producing theatre in Wales, taking up the post in 2016. During his time in the organisation has increased its annual turnover from 5 million to 12.2 million. Won UK Theatre, Olivier and Stage Awards for their work. Produced over 72 world premieres and progressed an ambitious and essential 50 million capital redevelopment of the 1970s Grade 2 listed building in North Wales. Theatr Clwyd has also been recognised for leading the way on social impact and has major partnerships and social prescription models in place with the NHS, social services and numerous housing associations. Theatr Clwyd also operates William Aston Hall, Wrexham's 1,000-seat concert venue where we sit today, as well as Theatr Clwyd Music Trust, which delivers music lessons to over 70 schools and 3,000 young people each week. Before joining Theatr Clwyd, Liam was Associate Producer and Capital Development Associate at York Theatre Royal, General Manager and Producer at Sheffield Crucible Theatres, Community Producer on the York Mystery Plays 2012, and set up 2 companies, the Factory Theatre in London and Sprite Productions in Yorkshire. Liam was chair of Creu Cymru, the development agency for theatres, art centres and theatre producers in Wales for 5 years and still holds a trustee position. He is a UK government appointed trustee of the Theatres Trust and sits on the advisory board group for the UK-wide access scheme All In. Mae Liam yn gefnogwr hir sefydlog i'n Prifysgol, ac mae'n bleser gen I ei groesawu yma heddiw I dderbyn ein hanrhydedd uchaf, mwyn cydnabod ei gyfraniad i'r celfyddydau a diwylliant yn ein rhanbarth. Rwy'n cyflwyno Liam Evans Ford am gymrodoriaeth anrhydeddus. Liam remains a long-standing supporter of our university, and I am delighted to welcome him here today to accept our highest honour. In recognition of his contribution to the arts and culture in our region, I present Liam Evans Ford for the award of Honorary Fellowship.
Bore da pawb. Diolch yn fawr iawn to everybody at Wrexham University for this. Well, it says it in the title, doesn't it? It's an honour, truly is an honour. I've spent the last decade of my career working towards improving arts and culture in community settings here in North Wales, but also arts, culture, creative industries across Wales and across the UK. Theatr Clwyd is by far and away one of the biggest producing houses in the UK. and something we should all be proud of. And having this William Aston Hall as part of our portfolio only grows our impact on the world stage with creative industries. But more than that, a big privilege to raise my family here for the last decade. What a wonderful part of the world. Brilliant scenery, wonderful locations, activities, places to eat, well connected to the Northwest, brilliant organisations, anchor organisations, as Joe, the Chancellor, would say here, and wonderful people, left, right and centre, many of whom are in this hall. What a brilliant place to build a life, genuinely. And it's a real honour to spend this day with all of you. You've clearly worked very, very hard to achieve the recognition that you're going to receive today. And thank you to the families for supporting. It's not easy going through an academic journey, and everything that you've earned, you deserved. And if I can, I'd like to leave you with 3 bits of advice for the next stages of your careers and your life. So first, always, always strive for improvement and learning. Never stop. And certainly strive to improve at your weaknesses, definitely, but always learn about your strengths. Build a career around your strengths. Second, put people at the heart of your work. Whatever sector you end up going into, put people first, and you'll gain an awful lot back. That's your peers, your colleagues, the people who manage you, the people that you end up managing, clients, communities. Put people at the heart of your careers. And finally, and you would expect me to say this given my role, but put arts and culture at the heart of your lives and your careers. You'll gain so much back. And it's not a nice to have. I could talk about the jobs and the economic impact, but actually think about what you do, how you spend your time when you're relaxing after a hard day's work or study. Eat. Food, its culture from all parts of the world, different cuisine brings people together. Breaking bread brings people together. Sports, cultural, all around the world. Nations define themselves by the sports that they play. Arts, theatre, dance, opera, Netflix, TV, film, all of these things, they're what make us uniquely human. Okay, value them. So strive to improve and learn, put people at your heart, and value arts and culture. Massive congratulations to all of you today. You deserve everything that you get, and I'm sure you'll have brilliant careers ahead of you. And again, diolch yn fawr iawn to Wrexham University for this honour. Thank you.
Anrhydeddus Isganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Prifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol yn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Tystysgrif Genedlaethol Uwch, Technoleg Adeiladu, Baglor mewn Gwyddoniaeth Cyffredin, Technoleg Dylunio Pensaernïol, Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd Animeiddio, Celf Gynhwysol, Comics, Celfydded Gain, Celf Gemau, Dylunio Graffig, Darlunio. Baglor mewn Pheirianneg Anrhydedd, Pheirianneg awyrynegol a mecanyddol, Pheirianneg drydanol ac electronig, Pheirianneg ddiwydiannol, mecatroneg, Dylunio Pheirianneg ddiwydiannol, trydanol ac electronig. Dylunio Pheirianneg ddiwydiannol, mecanyddol. Pheirianneg adnewyddadwy a chynaliadwy. Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd. Seibr ddiogelwch cymhwysol. Technoleg dylunio pensaernïol. Dylunio a menter gemau cyfrifiadurol. Datblygu gemau cyfrifiadurol. Rhwydweithiau a diogelwch cyfrifiadurol. Cyfrifiadureg, rheoli adeiladu, seibr ddiogelwch, technoleg cerddoriaeth a sain, cynhyrchu a thechnoleg teledu. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees in the following disciplines. Higher National Certificate, Construction Technology. Bachelor of Science, Ordinary, Architectural Design Technology. Bachelor of Arts, Honours, Animation, Applied Art, Comics, Fine Art, Game Art, Graphic Design and Illustration. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours, Aeronautical and Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Industrial Engineering, Mechatronics, Industrial Engineering Design, Electrical and Electronic, Industrial Engineering Design, Mechanical, Renewable and Sustainable Engineering. Bachelor of Science Honours, Applied Cybersecurity, Architectural Design Technology, Computer Game Design and Enterprise, Computer Game Development, Computer Networks and Security, Computer Science, Construction Management, Cybersecurity, Music and Sound Technology, Television Production and Technology.
Jennifer Howard. Terry Joanne Crawford. Reese Conde Wood. Faith Darlington. Seren Hughes. Molly Morris. Megan Williams. Kerry Jones. Tracy Arnold. Leon Taylor Lynch. William Whitmore. Elena Basilva. Connor Townley. Nicola Stice. Ian Whitley. Grace Davis. Rosie Davis. Harriet Eveson. Maya Roberts. Hannah Sadler. Alexander Tonks. Fionn Travis. Harrison Pitt. Kirsty Robinson. Anya Lewis. Evie Roberts. Ruth Toner. Robin Wooder. Simon Jones. Kevin Biju John. Harry Maudsley. Matthias Bachel. Daniel Baker. Norbert Bonner. Jean Brit. Louis Edous. Evan Ellingston. Julian Franchmer. Nathan Fields. Sean Nelmes. Michael Owen. Selina Thomas. Antoine Wennett. Braham Dev Yadav. Benjamin Baker. Johannes Broy. Maximilian Buchner. Johannes Fruschner. Nikolai Hartmann. Julian Horn. Andrew Jones. Daniel Keniel. Tobias Stachler. Ben Armstrong. Julian Parello. Michael Griffiths. Christian Morris. Luke Tanner. Kieran Thorhold. Adam Williams. Callum Williams. Craig Windrust. Samuel Gallagher. Will Hughes. Richard Jones. Ricky Jones. Richard McDermott. Jack Morris. Fionn Parry. Jack Stratton. Gavin Wedlock. Aurelia Calvo. Ewan Frost. Stephen Hayward Jones. Holly Shearing. Jake Gregory. Ryan Logan. Sarah Crow. Rachel Hughes. Dean Wood. Connor Jakshi Helwell. Shannon McOwen. Mateusz Sakulski. Anthony Smith. Sam Tunstall. Danny Faint. Daniel Doroshkino. Lewis Griffiths. Lucas Niher. Richard Trafut Garcia. Maya Evans Ward. Gareth Jones. Carla Joyner. Ricky Owen. Jade Parry. Rose Peter. Liam Edwards. Tobias Franks. Oliver Healy. Thomas Heckstedt. Felix Munzinger. Hassan Sadikaya. Axel Schufer. Stephen Williams. Marius Ziller.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei anerchiad y bore yma. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give his address.
Bore da, good morning and croeso and welcome graduates, families, friends and colleagues. What a privilege it is to stand here in front of you all today as we celebrate this incredible milestone in your lives. Today is all about you, your hard work, your perseverance and the bright futures that lie ahead. Graduation is a significant milestone and we are all incredibly proud of you. Graduation is more than just a ceremony though. It's a moment to reflect on how far you've come and to look ahead to the opportunities that await. Over your time here, you've gained more than just knowledge. You've built friendships, you've overcome challenges and developed the skills and confidence that will carry you into the next chapter of your lives and provides a strong platform for you to make a real impact in whatever you choose to do. You, our graduates, are our future. You are our future. The class of Wrexham 2025 are the engineers of the future, the nurses, speech and language therapists and police officers who serve our communities, and the computer scientists, social workers and the artists. And you've all already made a significant impact here with us in our academic community, as we paid testimony to in terms of Jenny and Maria earlier. Your university has a long history. It dates back to 1887 when the Wrexham School of Art and Science was established. We first started offering degrees in 1924 and achieved university status in 2008. We've come a long way since then, and we can all be proud of the achievements that we've reached. Our ranking in the Times and the Sunday Times, the Complete University Guide, which puts us in the top 5 in the UK for teaching quality. However, we will never stand still. Wrexham University is evolving, just as you are. We've recently launched our vision and strategy, Wrexham 2030, setting out our ambitions to grow, to innovate, and continue making a real difference for our students, our communities, and the world beyond. We've made a bold and unwavering commitment to those who live and study and work in our communities, to work in partnership to improve the educational, economic, social, cultural, and environmental prosperity of all of our communities. It's important for us to recognise that while strategies and buildings may change, the heart of Wrexham University remains the same. It's about you. It's about our people. It's about our incredible students and our incredible staff sitting behind me. It's about our graduates, just like you, who bring it to life every day. So, you may be leaving our campus, but you'll always be part of our university, and your community. Wherever your journey takes you, whether into a new job, further study or new adventures, know that you have a community here that believes in you and supports you. My wish is for you that throughout your lives and your future careers, that you keep the values of Wrexham University close. Excellence. Always strive to do your best, and whatever you're doing, aim to do it well. Inclusion. Always treat people with kindness, dignity and respect. Integrity is important, and never lose sight of it. Collaboration. We're better together. Collaboration and partnership unlock solutions, so take others' point of view on board and harness the strength of others, especially where there's different perspectives. To share the wisdom of the African proverb, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Transformation. Our world is changing so quickly, and you, our most recent graduates, are on the crest of the wave. Going out into your futures with the ability and the promise to change things for the better. Be ambassadors for change and strive to make a positive difference in whatever you choose to do. Sustainability. The earth is ours to inhabit for just a short time. Recognise that you have a vital part to play in shaping the world that you pass on to future generations, and let that thought guide your decision-making. If you hold these values close, you won't go wrong in your personal or professional lives. Finally, as your Vice-Chancellor, I want to say again how proud we all are of you, our class of 2025. I also want you to know that you'll also always be part of our community, and I invite you to join our Alumni Association so you can stay connected with us, and you'll find them outside with our careers and our alumni stands in the marquee. So finally, go forward with confidence, be bold, stay curious, and never stop learning. Congratulations to you all. We couldn't be prouder of you. Thank you. Diolch.
Hoffwn yn awr gyflwyno Pheirianneg i roi ei hanherchiad. Mae Pheirianneg yn lywydd undeb y myfyrwyr yma ym Prifysgol Wrecsam. So I would now like to invite the President of the Students' Union, Pheirianneg, to give her presentation. Diolch.
Bore da. Good morning, everybody. It is a privilege to stand before you today as President of Wrexham Students' Union to celebrate this extraordinary moment in your lives. Today is not about the degrees you have, but about the years of commitment, patience, and personal growth that have led you here. As students, you've all faced challenges, from difficult assignments to those late nights where deadlines have felt impossible. We've also shared countless moments of joy. The friendships forged in lectures, the memories made in societies and sports clubs, and the community spirit that makes Wrexham such a special place to study. As you reflect on these years, it becomes clear that the experience here have shaped far more than academic achievements. They've instilled resilience in the face of difficulty, determination when the path was uncertain, and appreciation for the strength of community. On behalf of all graduates, I want to extend a heartfelt thanks to your lecturers and staff whose dedication and belief in you has been unwavering. To your families, friends and loved ones who have cheered you on and supported you through every step of this journey. And to my fellow students, thank you. Thank you for your energy, your passion, and for being the heartbeat of this university. It has been my privilege to serve as your Students' Union President and witness the strength, creativity and resilience of this community. Graduation is not an ending, but a beginning. The knowledge, skills and friendships you have built here will stay with you long after today. Wherever your journeys take you, whether into new careers, further study, or opportunities you've not just yet imagined, step forward with confidence, knowing that you are prepared. So, to the class of 2025, congratulations. Celebrate today with pride in what you have achieved, gratitude for those who've helped along the way, and excitement for all is still to come. Thank you, and once again, congratulations.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr yma o Prifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol o fewn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Baglor yn y Celfyddydau anrhydedd, ffotograffiaeth a ffilm. Tystysgrif olradd, cyfrifiadureg, cyfrifiadura. Diploma olradd cyfrifiadureg, cyfrifiadureg gyda Pheirianneg feddalwedd, cyfrifiadura seibrdiogelwch, gweithgynhyrchu mecanyddol gyda gymarfer uwch. Meistr yn y Celfyddydau, celf gemau, ymarferydd celf proffesiynol. Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, Pheirianneg fodurol. Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth cyfrifiadureg, cyfrifiadureg gyda gymarfer uwch, cyfrifiadureg gyda dadansoddeg data mawr, cyfrifiadureg gyda seibrdiogelwch, cyfrifiadureg gyda Pheirianneg feddalwedd, cyfrifiadura gyda gymarfer uwch, seibrdiogelwch gyda ymarfer uwch. Gwyddor data a dadansoddeg data mawr, gwyddor data a dadansoddeg data mawr gyda gymarfer uwch. Pheirianneg awyrynegol, Pheirianneg fodurol, Pheirianneg fodurol gyda gymarfer uwch. Pheirianneg drydanol ac electronig, Pheirianneg gweithgynhyrchu mecanyddol. Pheirianneg ynni adnewyddadwy a chynaliadwy gyda gymarfer uwch. Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, dylunio arloesol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees in the following disciplines. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Photography and Film. Postgraduate Certificate, Computer Science Computing. Postgraduate Diploma, Computer Science with Software Engineering. Computing, Cybersecurity. Engineering, Mechanical Manufacture with Advanced Practice. Master of Arts, Game Art, Professional Art Practitioner. Master of Engineering, Automotive Engineering. Master of Science, Computer Science with Advanced Practice. Computer Science with Big Data Analytics. Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Computer Science with Software Engineering. Computing with Advanced Practice. cybersecurity, cybersecurity with advanced practice, data science and big data analytics, data science and big data analytics with advanced practice, Master of Science, Engineering, Aeronautical, Engineering, Automotive, Engineering, Automotive with advanced practice, Engineering, Electrical and Electronic, Engineering, Mechanical Manufacture, Engineering, Renewable and Sustainable Energy with advanced practice, and Master of Science, Innovative Design.
Pheirianneg, London. Mitchell Williams. Sarah Ikando. Lauren Forward. Susan Lanka. Sandeep Reddy Sadam. Yashwant Kumar Tamseti. Rajwinder Kaur. Vivek. Tirampati Reddy Yarmala. Neftram Pusa. Tina Carter. Deborah Davis. Layla Hodgson. Wesley Mirrell. Afsana Begum. Gurmanjot Kaur. Harpreet Kaur. Navjot Kaur. Pawandeep Kaur. Pawandeep Kaur. Ramandeep Kaur. Muhammad Mubin Tahir. Oliwasyun Olarindi. Rupinder Kaur Rimi. Lavisha Sharma. Ali Absar Ansar. Deepak Bannan. Jagdesh Katamkan. Usha Kiran Kudari. Sarvani Magamuri. Sawamulla Nalamutu. Uganda Reddy Pedireddy. Kalishka Saniaki. Hivindu Dakish Amaradev Pota Yuputi Kanakamaje. Emmanuel Ali. Dominika Horner. Judika Sarkar. Israel Servalo Caberaro. Win Siziba. Sadek Amin. Adwale Ayudun. Craig Lawrence. Shamunawara Master. Sergio Scabar. Kenneth Silui. Sipo Charles. Halid Deira. Adinoyoi Ensi. Holly Hudson. Soma. Hardeep Brar. Manjo Budakui. Joanna Goenda. Ravinder Kaur. Smirandip Kaur. Omanti. Yawa Huang Rai. Mukul Sundu. Ruja Bemredi. Yaswant Chowdhury Mannam. Zinet Rahman. Sneha Talpali Subramani. Deepak. Ashwara Danjanyan. Lamia Islam. Jivan Jyoti. Virbal Khaled. Srinath Musbi Patal. Bogwa Tatej Fernando. Sirtuka Natiushatan. Meena Pataraj Donna. Elrom Yivu. Gabriel Omioto. Marcus Casalo. Vankatesh Vakapatala. Vikas. Naresh Kumar. Olumidi Mbenzer Adieni. Murad Hisyu. Samson Chimawi Michael. Guru Kumar. Daniel Sheriff. Kasuma Budu.
So, this is now the most formal part of the ceremony. It's the point at which we confer the degrees or the other awards on you and you become graduates. At some of the older universities in England, this would be done in Latin. At new English universities, it's done in English. Here in Wales, we do this in Welsh. So the orator will ask me to confer the degrees and all their privileges on you, which I will do. She will then ask me to do the same for those who are not present today and are getting their degrees in absentia. So may I therefore ask all the graduates to please stand.
Anrhydeddus isganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Prifysgol a ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf chwi eich gwobrau ac I holl freintiau y gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus isganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Prifysgol a ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf y crau a nodwyd wneu habsenoldeb i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau y gwobrau hyn. Congratulations, you are now graduates of Wrexham University.
Wel, hoffwn y nawr, wahodd Howard Jones, aelod o Fwrdd Llywodraethwyr y Brifysgol, I gloi'r cynulliad y bore yma. I would now like to invite Howard Jones, member of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to close the congregations.
The granting of an academic award brings with it privileges and responsibilities. Through your hard work and diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. I would like to add my personal congratulations to that of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. In doing so, I formally close this congregation of Wrexham University.
Wel, gyfeillion, diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae hynny yn dod â ni at ddiwedd y seremoni y bore yma. Cynhelir cynulliad nesaf Prifysgol Wrecsam y prynhawn yma. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this morning's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will be held this afternoon. Gofynnaf i chi gyd felly I sefyll ac aros ar eich traed hyd nes bod yr yrymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd wedi gadael y neuadd, os gwelwch yn dda. May I ask you all to stand and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, have left the hall. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.